All right, as you can see, I've got all my utilities marked in my yard. I did the responsible call before you dig thing and got everything marked, ready to go. I'm getting ready to install the Irrigreen system in my front yard. I'm really excited about this. I'm really curious to see how easy it goes in, how easy it is to set up. I'm going to share the whole process with you. So if this is something that you're considering doing for yourself, let me just show you what to expect as far as what they're sending you and give you a shopping list of things that you'll need in addition to what they're sending you as far as infrastructure and things to support the system. All right, so for every sprinkler head that you order in your package, you're going to get 2 boxes. The first box obviously is going to have the actual sprinkler head. It is rather large. It's got a 3/4 inch inlet that is female threaded, and that will connect to the 3/4 inch male end of the supply line. This is the feeder line that comes off the supply line. You're going to have 1-inch supplies around the yard. So you've got 1 inch on this end to tap into the supply line, and then the 3/4 inch to connect to the actual sprinkler head. You're also going to get the controller wire to daisy chain everything together. So I've got that there. So that's what's in those 2 boxes. You'll get 2 boxes for each sprinkler head. So that's a whole setup for each sprinkler head there. You're also going to get a box with the controller in it. It goes in the garage or wherever you want to put it, and it comes in a really nice housing unit. So you can even mount it outside if you want to. But that's what they send you. They send you the sprinkler heads, the supply lines, and the wires and the controller. Now, of course, everything is going to come with an installation guide, some reading. You have a little homework. On page 5, they give you a shopping list of all the other parts, fittings, and things that you need, and other recommendations too, which I'm actually going to follow so that you can see how they want to do it, how they want you to set it up, how they recommend you set it up so that you can have the most ideal experience. So I've taken notes from this, and I've taken notes from friends that have this system too, and gotten some advice from them. Okay, so now onto the shopping list. This is what you're going to need infrastructure wise and equipment wise to get the system in. Now, if you're like me and you have an existing lawn that you're going to be putting this into, I want to try and keep things as clean as possible. I want to have the least amount of repair work and renovation work to do later. So I've rented a sod cutter, so we'll peel back the top layer of the grass, and hopefully it goes back down nice and smooth and level after we're done backfilling all the trenches and things. And of course you need PVC pipe. I've got a lot here, more than I need for the water supply, because I'm using just as much for conduit for the control wire. I want to protect that as much as I can. So 1-inch PVC pipe for both the water supply and the conduit for the controller wire. Of course, with PVC pipe comes fittings. So I've got 1-inch fittings, I've got elbows, I've got T's, got all the things. And then of course, with any kind of pipe work, you need your glue. This is the red hot blue glue I use all the time. I love this stuff. And then thanks to Justin the Lawn Whisperer, he gave me a pro tip. I'm going to have a shutoff valve at each sprinkler head for maintenance purposes. That way I don't have to blow out the whole system. I can just shut it down at the source for each individual head for maintenance. And those will be protected by the 6-inch sprinkler boxes, round sprinkler boxes. That's actually recommended in the install guide. So that's what that's going to be for. It's going to be for any extra wire, and it's going to be to give me access to the ball valves. All right, so there we go. That's gonna do it for now. I really just wanted to give you kind of a brief overview and a little tease on the Irrigreen install. Wanted to let you know what to expect. That's kind of what I've got planned here. There's 5 heads going in the front yard. We're gonna start tomorrow. So hopefully that helps you understand the additional supplies you need in addition to the investment you're already making in the system. So you need PVC pipe, you need glue, you need equipment if you're trenching lines or digging up sod. all the things. You're even gonna want some friends too, and I've got a friend coming over tomorrow to help too, thankfully. Hopefully we'll make a little bit quicker work of this. So that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. If you have any questions about the Irrigreen system, or how it's installed or how it works, please let me know in the comments. If you're interested in purchasing, there's a link down below with a discount code. You can get a free sprinkler head when you purchase a system, which is pretty great. So that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. We'll look forward to the install. It should be a lot of fun, and I will see you next time.